Hi, this is Alan Devasi. I am one of the early childhood education student. I am here to explain about curriculum design presentation. My curriculum philosophy is strongly based on play-based and child-led learning. I believe that children in the 3 to 5 age group learn best when they are actively exploring, following their interest and making sense of the world through hands-on experiences. Daily routines, secure relationships, and consistent environment play a huge role in helping children feel safe and confident to learn. This approach is grounded in the early childhood learning framework principles of belonging, being, and becoming, which reminds me to value each child's individual journey and importance of meaningful connections. I am also influenced by Vygotsky theory, which highlights the role of social interaction and adult guidelines in learning. Here, children aged 3 to 5 go through rapid growth across all development domains, and my curriculum is designed to meet those changing needs. Socially, they begin forming real friendships, encourage in cooperative play, and start showing empathy. That's why I plan activities that encourage teamwork and shared experiences. Cognitively, this age group is full of curiosity. They ask a lot of questions and love to solve problems. So I include open-ended tasks like building, exploring, and storytelling to support that development. Physically, they were refining their motor skills. Activities like cutting, drawing, climbing, and balancing help improve coordination and strength. Emotionally, they are learning to understand who they are and how to manage their feelings. The weekly program I have designed follows a consistent routine with a clear structure for both morning and afternoons. This helps match the natural energy levels and attention span of children aged 3 to 5. In the morning, we focus on more structured group experiences like story time and art, while afternoon includes more flexible child-led activities like dramatic play, music, and outdoor exploration. Each day includes a variety of learning experiences like sensory play, creative arts, and moment-based games. There is a balance between guided teaching moments and opportunity for the children to lead their own learning through play. The activities in my weekly program are thoughtfully linked to the early childhood learning framework outcomes. For example, outcome 1 supporting a strong sense of identity is met through activities like dramatic play, where children explore roles, emotions, and relationships. Outcome 3 focus on well being and physical development. This is supported through outdoor play moment games and hand on tasks like climbing or fine work in art. Outcome 4 encourages confident and involved learners. Open-ended experience like experimenting with sensory tray help children problem solve and explore ideas deeply. And outcome 5, which is all about communication, is developed through the storytelling, music, and social interaction, giving children space to express themselves through language. The learning environment I have designed is structured to support both safety and meaningful engagement. The floor plan includes clearly defined zones such as reading book, a construction area, dramatic play space, and a sensory PlayStation. Each of these is arranged to promote different types of learning from quiet reflection to creative expression and physical activities. The layout allows for smooth transition and easy movement between spaces, which helps children to stay focused and feel confident navigating the room. By creating open visual access across all zones, educators can supervise children safely while they are encouraging independence. Supervision plays a crucial role in keeping children safe while supporting their independence and engagement. In my plan, educators are always positioned near high risk areas like water play zone, sandpit, and outdoor space to ensure immediate response if needed. We maintain the correct educator to child ratios at all the time, and we use active supervisions, which means constantly scanning the space and moving around and staying engaged with children rather than being passive observers. During transition and outdoor time, we implement regular head counts to make sure all the children are accounted for. The layout of the environment also supports supervision with clear sightlines and minimal blind spots so staff can see across the multiple zones at once. My teaching strategies are grounded in being responsive, intentional, and connected to each child learning. I use modeling to show children how to express themselves, solve problems, and interact respectfully. Open ended questions like, "What do you think will happen?" invite children to think creatively and explain their ideas. Scaffolding allows me to support children just beyond their current ability, helping them building confidence and independence step by step. I also follow intentional teaching using everyday moments to extend learning. For example, if children are building with blocks, I might introduce measuring tools and talk about the height or length. Or if they are fascinated by insects, we might start a science table or explore nature together. Assessments helps me understand each child's learning journey and plan meaningful experiences. I use strategies like checklists and learning stories to document their progress, along with photos and work samples for visual evidence. This information helps me plan based on each child's interest and needs. I follow an observation cycle and include families in the process to build a full picture of the child. Overall, assessment ensure learning is intentional, responsive, and tailored to support each child's growth.